Be a man.
Hey, when I give you these keys, homeboy, don't move my shit, man. Right in the front, dig? Don't move my shit, man. Oh, baby, what's your name? Go, girl, it's your birthday. Open wide, know you're thirsty. And we don't buy no drinks at the bar. Pop champagne, cause we got that dough. Let me hear you say, if you want me, say, jump till I walk inside the doorway. Bottles of that rose, smelling like Dolce & Gabbana. Shawty, you the baddest, and to meet you is an honor. The mama got a table way more you think about a condo. And if you like it, baby, we can take it to the condo. And if you like the condo, we can move the body to the bedroom. I'ma beat your body like a Congo. Since we in the club for now, might as well get another round. No, this ain't nothing in your cup, so be here, baby, let me fill it up, fill it up. Oh, girl, it's your birthday. Open wide, know you're thirsty. And we don't buy no drinks at the bar. Pop champagne, cause we got that dough. Let me hear you say, if you want me, say, try to dance like a video vixen. Said a man be on that bullshit pimpin'. When I retire from the bull like Pippin. Tryna get you home, or would you be Rod Simpson? Whip out front, we can leave like pronto. Maple leaf dash got you feeling like Toronto. Make your body rise like you're puffin' on a joint, yo. Girl, that's only if you want, though. You ready? But since we in the club